Today I'm doing a demonstration, and it's not to compare one, or it's not a face-off per se, but it's just to show you the difference that power makes with chainsaws. When you're choosing a chainsaw, it's nice to know how it'll perform. Each of these saws has freshly sharpened chains. It is sharpened by hand. This is a Husqvarna 592 XP 92 cc, 92.7 cc, and the bar is 36 inches. Doesn't really matter. It'll be extended beyond the wood in all scenarios. So with this, it does have a skip tooth. This saw is an EFCO 165. It is a 63.4 cc saw. A 24-inch bar, does not have a skip tooth. This is like, many manufacturers will call it a farm boss. This is a professional saw. Let's get into it. Each of these will make 2 cuts. One across the grain and one with the grain in the same log. The EFCO will have a slight upper hand, as this end of the log over here is a little smaller than this one, and I'm going to cut the larger end with the Husqvarna. I decided to go ahead and make the extra cut off the other side to make a slab for a bowl blank. I didn't feel like it took away from the demonstration, so I went ahead and showed it. Okay, so that's a real quick head-to-head. On a log this size, it's not that big of a deal. But when you get into cutting up big slabs, big chunks of wood, the Husqvarna is it's a game changer for me. It actually just takes out the work so much. Once you get the saw over to the wood, it's just setting it on there and letting it rip. The smaller saw, not a small saw, but it's a lot of work if you're trying to cut up a big chunk of wood to turn bowls. Hope you guys found this useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope to catch you on the next one.